Alright, so how are you gonna remove the track from the machine, right? First of all, brace the machine up. Front side is turning the body to the back. One side pushing by the bucket, the other side pushing by the blade. Just in case safety, I'll put the two jack underneath. Alright, so first of all, use the 27 mils socket for the grease valve. If the grease valve not in the center, they are removable just by a sharp screwdriver, flat one, to adjust them in the center. Next side, 27 mils socket. Push in. Undo. You're gonna see the track is already loose. So just remove it. Easy. See, it's loose because the grease come out. What are you gonna check? That's the grease valve. The washer, the copper washer here is fitted properly. See, the copper washer, that's replaceable. All right, next step, I'm gonna remove the track. First of all, you use your marker. You use your marker to mark the wheels up. Up. Make sure the idle wheels up position, you can tell. Just remember the weights up. Next step. I think screw away. Leave it aside. On the ground, leave it on the ground. Okay. Alright, two people. Yeah. Remove. And then that's the wheels. So what's the structure compared? It's simple. Push, push, push. Pass me the grease valve. That's the whole structure looks like. All right. Your grease comes from the nipple and then push to the cylinder. That's half one. Removed by the bolt. That's all of the structures compared. You see, that's like a grease gun. After we remove, see, that's all. Possibly leaking grease here, possibly leaking grease from here. I'll say the easiest thing. Normally if the rubber is weird or the grease valve, that's the only two reasons can lose the, can make the track loose or we lose the pressure of the grease. That's all, nothing else. You see, when you screw it on, we grease up, pump up here to tighten the track. That's it, simple.